You'll be a very welcome guest if you take your side dish for the dinner and a craft for the kids. Turkey Day turkey crafts keep little hands busy until the clock says it's time to eat. Rachel Nipper brings forward the best turkey art activities, and I gave this girl good fair warning, so this year when we're with my side of the family, we always go out to eat. Hold your tomatoes. I love it. It's fantastic. And then because my family lives so far north, I'm begging them to land at my house in between after the meal on Thanksgiving Day in Davis County. So I need some projects like this to keep all of my nieces and nephews busy.
And we have amazing ideas for you today. We brought such a wide mixture of different activities, things that the little toddlers to preschoolers will love, clear up to. I have a few ideas that even middle school age children would enjoy. So I think we have everything for the whole family.
And your mantra, I know, is always simple, which we especially appreciate on a day like Thanksgiving. We don't need one more thing to prepare, right? So this is simple. You call this maybe your favorite idea because you even like to jump in on this.
Yes, and this is something that my mom had us do growing up. So it just brings home, you know, to me some good memories of being a child and things that we did. So these are apple turkeys, and they're so simple. You just you have an apple for the actual turkey body,
a little health on a day of indulgence,
and then we have these spice drops that you're putting in for the turkey feathers, and the face, raisins, you know, candy corn for the nose, and then just a little wattle. I mean, that is what we have on there is a little sour gummy worm that we've attached.
Cute. They can make it. That's the hands-on busy part.
And you can even put that on display on it, you know, for dinner in the center of the table. Just something really that the whole family will enjoy.
Oh my gosh, kids will take great pride in that craft, right? In that creation. What's this idea?
This is a turkey made out of a white paper doily. And what I love about this one is it's great for the young ones, and we've used these do-a-dot markers. And these are perfect because they're no mess.
I haven't seen these.
They are, I mean, everyone needs them if you have toddlers. It's a perfect way to get kids to start learning how to paint. You just dab the marker onto the doily and it puts a little circle of paint right there.
So
no
it's like
cleanup.
A sponge top.
Yes, and they're washables. They'll wash right off of kids' hands. So this one is so great for the little ones to do.
Where do we get these do-a-dots?
You can get them at Michael's, online, on Amazon, at like teacher stores.
Do-a-dot.
Yeah, do-a-dot.
Today we did a turkey, and I love the balloon gobble. Are you kidding me?
That is my favorite too.
That's cute.
And you can still get those at Walmart in the party section. They have a whole bag of just the red water balloons.
Oh, just the red ones. Oh, perfect.
They call them cherry bombs or something.
Of course. Yes, of course. All right, what's this idea?
This one is, you can use it several different ways. Right here we've used it as like a place setting, or you can use it for just a party favor to hand out after your gathering, or you can use them as a teacher gift. So we've personalized it by stamping a name on it if you want to use it for a place setting, or you can, if it's for a teacher, you can just write thanks, thankful, anything that you can think of to just express your gratitude towards whoever you want to give it to, and just put their favorite candy bar right in the little pocket.
And we should point out a full-size candy bar.
Yes,
You're not cutting corners.
Right.
How did you get the feathers to stick on?
So I used glue dots for that, or you could use tacky glue, and these are just artificial, leaves that you can get at any craft store.
Yeah, at first glance I thought this was part of the table setting, and then you've layered the napkin with the leaves, but no, these are attached.
Yes, and these ones are glittery, so it's just kind of adds a little extra flair to
a little sparkle always makes anything better, right? Put it in mini size, throw in some glitter, and bam, you've got yourself a winner always. Okay, what's this next idea?
These are little turkey finger puppets, and these are great for elementary age kids. We've used again the leaves for the turkey feathers, and just punch the 2 holes for the fingers, and after the kids have made them, they can put on a little puppet show for the family.
So cute. I saw Emmy come to life at a museum locally here with the puppet show just the other day, and I was like, oh my gosh, she's totally in that age stage.
Yes, she would love that.
She would totally love that. And the fact that they made it, we always talk about that, but the investment, the buy-in is huge. If they've made it, they're going to want to play with it.
And that's what makes me love the puppet crafts as my favorite, because not only are they making something, but they can play with it afterwards. So it's giving them more more fun time.
Yeah, creative payback is huge.
Right.
Okay, we're gonna come over here for this next idea.
This paper plate turkey, this one we've used paint on it in our display.
Brave mom.
Yes, right? Mom. We're not afraid of paint, but we use it all the time. But if you don't want to get out the paints for Thanksgiving, swap it out for markers, crayons, really anything goes on a paper plate. So any age can do that. And just a tip, just cut out the beak on the paper plate beforehand, and then they just can go at it coloring, adding the googly eyes, and they're good to go.
You've got a 3D beak that's popping out at you. And I like the googly eyes. Always a winner, always a crowd favorite. Over here you've pulled out just a basic brown sack lunch.
Yes, another puppet, I use the handprints. Kids can trace their handprints, cut them out, glue them around there. And this one's fun for the little ones because they can concentrate and like really think about what they're thankful for this year. And then, mom can help them write it around the handprints. And then they can walk around and show grandma and grandpa and talk about it. And it's just another fun little activity for the little ones.
So still fun, but subtle meaning, subtle thoughtfulness behind this one. All right, one more idea for us, Rachel.
These are turkey rings, and you can use them one of two ways. You can use them for the napkins as just a fun little display.
Okay.
Or you can actually wear them.
What?
So my daughter is obsessed with these. She loves them. They're so fun to just walk around and, have your little turkey.
This will be, oh, look at her. Is that her cute little hand?
Yes,
oh, nothing better than those little finger dimples. This will be a perfect compliment. Emmy went to the dentist for the first time 2 weeks ago, came home with a fabulous slap bracelet, right? With the big emoji smiley faces. I have a feeling this ring will complement her accessory jewelry box now for the year. So cute and easy to make. Just a glue gun, or what did you use?
I used a glue gun. So that, would obviously be something mom would have to help with.
Supervise, yeah.
But older kids could just make it on their own. I have got the tutorial and step-by-step for all of these on my website.
Where do we find you?
iHeartCraftyThings.com.
iHeartCraftyThings.com. You'll find these great ideas, as Rachel promised, and you're always posting fun, kind of busy activities to keep kids' creativity going.
We've got even more Thanksgiving stuff on there if you want to browse.
Well, thank you so much. You helped me and a lot of other moms out there, I know. So